Hey everybody, Matt down here at Horn Rapids RV Service and Sales Incorporated here in Richland, Washington. Just wanted to show you a little custom work that I just finished up doing. This customer is going to be using this as a mobile clinic, so we went ahead and changed out the solid door for a folding accordion door for a little bit easier use and access to that bathroom there. Did all new laminate flooring in this top area right here, pulled out the linoleum. We shortened this bed frame to accommodate room to walk around when they're working on the patients. And when I did that, I actually had to extend the floor further back into the compartment. So there was actually quite a bit of work done there. We got this ultrasound cart. Got it with some straps right there to secure it during transport. Went ahead and built a custom shelf in there with a power plug so that way they could run all of their electronics while they're working on their patients. We went ahead and added a couple file cabinets on both sides, and to add that one on the driver's side, we had to go ahead and shorten up that cabinet over there in the corner. And then we got this bed installed and got it tied down with a couple matching rails. Also had to pull apart that wall panel so that way we could get support for the TV when they're showing the patients their ultrasound. So just once again, just finished up some custom work and just wanted to show you guys what kind of work we do here.